Hey everyone, welcome back. If Meta AI is stuck on loading screen, do not worry. This is a common issue and easy to fix. First, check your internet connection because slow or unstable Wi-Fi can stop the app from loading properly. Next, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and then reopen it. If it still gets stuck, restart your phone. This clears temporary system errors that may be causing the issue. Then head over to your app store, search for Meta AI and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version because outdated apps can often get stuck on loading screen. If nothing works, clear the app's cache on Android or long press on the app icon. Remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for Meta AI again, and then reinstall it. Now, your Meta AI should load properly again. Thanks for watching. See you.